Have you ever asked yourself, why am I not where I want to be? You have big dreams, but something always seems to hold you back. Let me tell you this, you're not alone. Today, we're going to uncover the real reason you're not achieving your goals, and more importantly, how you can change that starting right now. The truth is, most people struggle to achieve their goals because they're waiting for the perfect moment or that surge of motivation to take action. But what if I told you that moment may never come? Every day you wait, you're losing time that you'll never get back. Close your eyes for a second and imagine your life a year from now. Are you where you want to be? If you keep doing what you're doing now, will anything change? Picture yourself finally reaching that milestone. How would it feel? Now imagine being in the same spot you are today, still stuck, still frustrated. You have the power to choose which version of yourself becomes a reality, but it starts with what you do today. Here's the hard truth. Success isn't about waiting for motivation to strike. It's about building discipline. Motivation is fleeting, but discipline keeps you moving forward even when you don't feel like it. Think of it this way. Motivation might get you to the starting line, but discipline is what carries you across the finish line. The most successful people don't rely on fleeting feelings. They've mastered the art of consistency. So how do you develop that discipline? Here are 3 steps. First, set clear, achievable goals. Write them down. Break them into smaller tasks so you can measure your progress daily. Second, create non-negotiable habits. Small, consistent actions lead to big results. Start with just one habit, like waking up 30 minutes earlier to focus on your goals. Third, track your progress and reflect. Keep a journal or use a progress tracker. Seeing how far you've come will motivate you to keep going. Let me share a quick story. I know someone who spent years stuck in the same routine, always talking about their dreams but never taking action. Finally, they committed to waking up 1 hour earlier every day to work on their side hustle. Within 6 months, they were making progress they hadn't seen in years. They didn't wait for motivation. They created their own momentum. Now think about your life again. What could you achieve if you just started today? What kind of person could you become a year from now if you refuse to give up? You owe it to yourself to find out. If this resonates with you and you're ready to take control of your future, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, Stimulating Minds. I'll be here every step of the way with the tips, tools, and motivation you need to create the life you've always wanted. Remember, your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Let's make it happen.